kitchen. Today, we're going to be making polar bear cupcakes. Let's start baking!
They call me Cupcake, although I don't know why. They call me Cupcake and sometimes Sweetie Pie. They call me Cupcake and say it's nice to meet me. They call me Cupcake, I think they want to eat me. So ciao for now, ciao for now. I've got to get away somehow. Ciao for now, ciao for now. I've got to get away somehow. They call me Cupcake, although I don't know why. They call me Cupcake and sometimes Sweetie Pie. They call me Cupcake and say how much they miss me. They call me Cupcake, I think they want to kiss me. So ciao for now, ciao for now, ciao for now, ciao for now. I've got to get away somehow. Ciao for now, ciao for now, ciao for now. I've got to get away some. I've got to get away some. I've got to get away somehow. They call me Cupcake.
They call me Cupcake.
They call me Cupcake.
They call me Cupcake.
Supposed to have raw egg better.
They call me Cupcake, although I don't know why. They call me Cupcake and sometimes Sweetie Pie. They call me Cupcake and say it's nice to meet me. They call me Cupcake, I think they want to eat me. So ciao for now, ciao for now. I've got to get away somehow. Ciao for now, ciao for now. I've got to get away somehow.
What are you making now?
They call me Cupcake, although I don't know why. They call me Cupcake and sometimes Sweet.
I can taste it.
They call me Cupcake and say how much they miss me. They call me Cupcake, I think they want to kiss me. So ciao for now,
Ciao for now,
ciao for now.
ciao for now.
I've got to get away somehow. Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.
Get a toothpick. Dad, I get a toothpick.
How do you check with a toothpick?
You poke it in, and then you see if anything comes on it. And if something comes on it,
Watch out.
okay. Whoa, those are hot.
So let's grab these little guys.
But you get to do a toothpick, and
Want to grab the little guys?
yes, grab them.
Careful.
Okay.
Put them over here for now.
Ah, they smell good. Go get a toothpick.
Let me turn off the timer for the little guys.
Okay, let's grab a toothpick.
You got
Where are the
toothpicks right
toothpicks?
there.
Oh, right there.
There you go.
Let me check all of them.
Just check one or two.
Okay, they're all good.
Now how about the big ones? How much longer do you think they need to be in there? Or should you check with a toothpick? Why don't we check with a toothpick right now?
Let's check with a toothpick. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, let me put it
Give
in
it a
there.
whirl.
Hold it for myself. Okay,
Switch.
hold it out. Let's poke it. Oh no,
What?
they're not ready.
Okay, let's put it back in.
They're too soft.
Ciao for now.
Alright, so what do you think? How do they look?
They look good. I'm gonna try it now.
Yeah, we're gonna split one?
Yeah. This is good.
I've got to get away some. I've got to get away somehow. They call me.
How's the decorating coming along?
Good. It's going pretty fast.
Happy with what you're doing?
Uh-huh.
What are you making?
Polar bears.
Uh-huh. And what are these polar bears over here?
Mommy polar bear, daddy polar bear, and baby polar bear.
Looks like an angry baby.